Hey guys, it's Brody with Concord Concrete Pumps here with another video. Today we're going to be pairing your Scanreco remote. We've had a lot of questions. Guys always concerned when they were trying to set up their second transmitter. It's not working. You got to pair them. So first things first, you got to take the battery out, connect your tether cable, make sure the unit is off, E-stop pressed in. Then we come to the receiver. Make sure the toggle switch is pulled towards us and the receiver is showing a light saying it's on. First thing, release the E-stop, press and hold the power button until you'll hear a click in the receiver and you'll see POID and that'll tell you it's pairing. Once it's done, it should beep and you'll see it'll go around in a circle. It'll show a loading symbol. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe out there.